Increasing fuel prices are beginning to impact fishermen. The situation has compounded long-standing problems in the sector. And as you'll hear in this report from Dwayne Anderson, this could mean that consumers might have to pay more for seafood.
Today was tough for these divers at sea. Muddy waters at the Pigeon Bank caused by rain prevented them from diving, and that meant no catch to sell or feed themselves and family. But as one fisherman told us, there are worse things that could happen to fishermen. And in fact, many of their worst fears are unfolding right now. Among them, climbing fuel prices.
If fisherman ever talk about them gas, you understand? Because you go and see now, you know, catch nothing, it gas upon your head, because you can't use water go there. Yes, it's very expensive, you know, because even that drum of gas, you have about $35,000 feet, you know, and if you go there, you know, and you broke down, just like when you turn back, you know, you have to dip back in your pocket to find it, and sometimes you can't find it. You understand? So you have to borrow back from friends or whatever and see if you can make an extra again.
One resident suggested that the state do something about the fuel crisis facing the fishermen.
And if the minister can put some levels of tariff on it or try get them to get the gas at a cheaper rate, it would be good.
Then there's the ongoing issue of theft at sea. Some of the fishermen admitted that they are not innocent when it comes to the practice.
Fisherman thief fisherman, you understand? Because you said part of your one friend, all the part, our tea take it away and you ask him and him say him that time I him. Because even me do it too. You understand, to be honest. You understand, because everybody wants to eat.
And no fishing going on, no fishing going on right now. And no thief, you know, and a man with the thief.
Not thief.
You understand? And I really say, well, let me go out if we do that. But when I set my one, and we go out there and find well, then one thief, now if we can't come back at all. I have to look food.
If we can instill in others the culture in fairness, right, and getting away from the piracy, then fishing will be much easier.
The fishermen explained that the fish stock is good, so seafood lovers should be able to get most of their favorite seafood over the festive period. But they said they cannot guarantee that the prices will be stable.
We are not getting our fair share as a fishing industry in terms of help for the ministry. You cannot give fishermen $15,000 to help them to, after, so we have a hurricane where the pots and the water mash up. You give a fisherman 2 roll of wire, or you give him $15,000 to buy back a roll of wire when you have spent over $500,000. Your fisherman spend over $1 million to get his business up and running.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.